Whew, good morning, y'all. Well, we made it to the top, and we're about to head back down and then back up. It's gonna be a nice little hike, so take a stop to take a little break. I'm starting to get my breath back a little bit, quite quickly than I thought. Coming up that hill, a nice big hike coming up, nice big steep hill, but that's part of OSHA. You know, they're going to have a lot of ups and downs and stuff. But no sign of Bigfoot yet. Haven't found him. But get out and about, y'all. However you want to work out this summer, just get out. Get some vitamin D. It's good for you. It's good for your mind. It's good for your soul. You know, just get out in nature, you know. If you believe in the Lord, talk to the Lord. If you just believe in nature, all right, y'all. We got to cut all that motivational speaking for later, because I just found a whole bunch of evidence of Bigfoot. You see all those trees over there, logs, all that. You see all that stuff? Oh yeah, that's all Bigfoot country right there for sure. That's signs of Bigfoot. He's getting ready to build his house for sure. Yep, I'm on his trail. I'm so close. He's for sure here in the National Forest of Cloudcroft, New Mexico. Let's find him.